Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be doing question number 5, exercise 9a. It says there are 14 boys and 25 girls in a school badminton team. So, boys and girls, they are given 14 boys, 25 girls. So, these are the players. So how many total players? Boys plus girls, it becomes 39. First part says find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. Boys ratio girls. Okay, boys how many? 14. Girls how many? 25. So we cannot simplify these two numbers, so this is the answer. Part 2 says find the ratio of the number of girls to the total number of players. So total players. Girls how many? 25. Total players how many? 39. This is the answer because we cannot simplify these two numbers. So it was very simple question. So we easily did that. Now we will be doing question number 6. Question number 6 has a long wording. This is just to make you confused that maybe this is a difficult question or maybe it is a long question. No, this is not a difficult and this is not a long question. Just they have made it big to confuse you. It says a total of 3,600 athletes participated in the Singapore 2010 Youth Olympic Games. There were 1,200 media representatives who reported on the games, 20,000 volunteers who helped out during the games, and 370,000 spectators who attended the games. Find the ratio of the number of athletes to the number of volunteers. Number of athletes to number of volunteers. So it is given that number of athletes how many? Total of 3,600 athletes. So it is 3,600. Number of volunteers. There were 20,000 volunteers. So we need to find out the ratio. Last two zeros will be cancelled with these two zeros. Then we will be dividing this with 4. 4 nines are 36. 4 fives are 20. 0. So 9 ratio 50. This is the answer for first part. Second part says that we need to find the ratio of the number of media representatives. Number of media representatives to number of athletes. Number of athletes to the number of spectators and also ratio spectators. Number of spectators. So how many number of media representatives were there? There were 1,200 media representatives. Number of athletes, we know these are 3,600. Number of spectators, they were 370,000. So we need to find their ratios. We will simplify. Last two zeros will be cancelled with last two zeros. Then we will simplify these three figures, 12, 36 and 3,700. We'll divide with 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 9s are 36. These 3 7 0 0. 4 9s are 36. 1 7 10. 4 2s are 8. 2 10. 4 5s are 20. So 3 9 9 25. This is the answer for part 2. This was exercise 9a. We were doing question number 6, part 2. So we have done both the parts, and this is the answer for both the parts. We just simplified the numbers and we got the answers.